Psychic Ren here. Don't forget to like and follow if you're watching me on TikTok or YouTube. Doing an intuitive reading for Aries since I am one. It's one of the easier signs for me to pull off without using a tarot deck. I do have my large reconstituted quartz crystal ball here should I need a little bit of insight. So, Aries, I did some meditation before this, and this is what I see for us as a collective. Basically, we have a ton of energy, which is no surprise for Aries. We're running into our season, so that's no shocker. But we also have a ton of friends and a ton of family that are really getting into that vibration with us, so we can celebrate together. Downsides. Our season happens to be hitting right along with Venus and Mercury retrograde for the first part of it. So those planets right now are appearing to move backwards, but really they're still moving the same direction. It's all an illusion, Aries. So don't get disheartened when you're taking all that energy, all that Aries get up and go, and you're just ready to roll, and you got your coffee, and the day's just ready to rock and roll, and bam, it mucks up. You know why it mucks up? Because it's just an illusion. It'll resolve itself. Usually it'll resolve itself by the end of the day if you let it. The trick is right now is don't overreact. Aries, I'm talking to myself, not just you. I'm saying don't overreact. It feels like some stuff is falling apart with Mercury retrograde and with your Aries natural energy. You could really overreact and blow up your communication. Don't do that. Be careful. Give it time. Like, take 5 minutes before you reply to an email, at least. You get an email at work and it makes you unhappy, take at least 5 minutes before you reply. Don't hit send. For the love of God, don't hit send, Aries. Because I do sense that right now during Mercury retrograde, with all that energy and all that Aries passion, those communication failures are very real. But you can avoid them, you can dodge them, and it'll be over soon. It'll be over this month. Venus is also in retrograde, so you've got some ex-lovers that'll be bouncing back towards you. You've got some ex feelings that are coming back to you, like some people that maybe you've not thought of in a while that you're like, wow, I really miss them, and you're not even sure why. Well, Aries, for you, that'll probably pass pretty quickly too, unless they really meant something to you. And if they really meant something to you, I am going to go ahead and stick with that 5 minute rule. Wait before you text them. Think about it. Really think about it. Make sure that it's you missing them and not just part of your pattern. So here's the good news. I see a wonderful vacation in your future. You need it. You need it because you feel all this energy and it's running through you, all your leadership skills, all of your intuitive abilities, Aries, all of your empathy. It's all right there, and you are using it in lots of different directions right now. But as Mercury and Venus both get back in line visually, so do your plans. So there's a nice vacation in your future. So congratulations on that. We really need it. I did see that meditating earlier, and I was like, oh, I know I need it. I know you do too. Downsides, there's people watching you and kind of following you. Now, what is that? Are they stalking you? Well, you might have a stalker. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, there are people who really admire you, Aries, and there are people who are watching and emulating you. Now, that's a compliment because copying someone is kind of a form of flattery. The downside to it is make sure that they're not trying to uh, be the leader of your field. Let them be the leader of their field. So when they talk to you and you're encouraging them, make sure that you're not giving them false hope that they are the leader of what that they're not quite capable of being. Instead, push them in the right direction, lead them to the right water because they're trying to be like you a little too hard, and that could cause a lot of disappointment for them later. Aries were natural leaders, not that there are plenty of signs that have good leadership abilities, but Aries, we are the leaders of the zodiac, and as such we have a lot of energy, but we tend to get exhausted where there's a lot of other signs that can carry it out. So as an Aries, don't be afraid to ask for help. Other individuals have other gifts that can help you, just like you have gifts that can help them. Where I'm cautioning you is it feels like individuals out there who are almost, they're jealous of you, so rather than developing their own gifts, they're trying to copy yours. Now, those individuals are not the type of copycats that we need in our lives. So just be aware of them. Try to help guide them in the right direction. But if you can't do that and they are secretly kind of loathing you because they can't be you, there's nothing you can do about that. You just got to kind of let them go. And I mean, do the best you can to encourage them in the right direction. I do see there's a possible bigger move in your future, Aries, but that's roughly a year away. But it's something to look forward to. It's not a running away situation, it's a running toward situation. And you're going to be pretty happy with it because as an Aries, you hold on to what you've got and just add to it. So that looks really good. So let's sum it up. The downside is you got a whole bunch of energy and you don't know exactly what to do with it. Some people can be intimidated by it. Some people are going to try to copy it and can't, and they're going to get frustrated with themselves about it. The good news is you can help steer those same people into learning their own gifts and using them. You can use your gifts to help others. There's a good vacation coming and a possible good, strong move to a different location, adding to your property. Those are all positives in that aspect. They're all lessons to be learned. And don't hit send. Wait at least 5 minutes before you send that email, text message, phone call. That ex pops into your mind. Wait at least 5 minutes before you contact them. If you can, wait until Venus is out of retrograde before you contact them because it's just bringing up all these old emotions in them and you. And some of that's good because it can bring good people back into your life, but it can also recirculate like a lot of positive memories while pushing those negative ones off to the side that you will remember later if you are around these people long enough. So that's my Aries intuitive reading. I did consult my tarot and crystal ball earlier. I just summed it up for you guys. And it's a great season. There's a lot of good coming out there. I can't fit it all into one reading. Don't forget to like and follow. I'll be posting this video for you guys on TikTok exclusively. But if you want a personal reading, I have my website on my TikTok channel. And I will make sure that you are, if you follow me on TikTok, put it on the notes that's how you heard about it because I like to keep track of how people hear about me. I'm looking forward to reading you, and I am very happy about Aries season. Very blessed to have lots of good friends out there. And if you're friends with an Aries, try to remind them not to hit send too fast because they're going to do it. Don't let them do it. You guys hear me? Don't let me do it. I'm an Aries. We're very passionate people, but sometimes our passion gets ahead of our heads. All right. Have a good night, guys.